Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Your 401k is a fantastic tool for building a secure future, especially as you think about retirement. It's a special savings plan, usually offered through your job, where you can put aside money before taxes are even taken out. This means your savings can grow over many years, often with company matching, which is essentially free money. It's truly designed to help you live comfortably later in life. The ideal time to start tapping into your 401k is after you reach age 59 and a half. This is when the IRS considers you retired, at least for these purposes. You can then withdraw your money without any early withdrawal penalties, which is a huge benefit. Just remember, these withdrawals are considered taxable income, so it's wise to factor that into your retirement budget. If you need to access your 401k before reaching 59 and a half, be aware of the rules. Generally, early withdrawals come with a 10% penalty added on top of your regular income taxes. It can be quite costly. There are, however, some very specific exceptions, such as for certain medical expenses or to help with a first-time home purchase. Always check the exact rules before making any decisions. What happens to your 401k when you change jobs? You typically have a few smart choices. One excellent option is to roll it over directly into an IRA or even into your new employer's 401k if they allow it. This direct transfer avoids any taxes or penalties, ensuring your money continues to grow untouched for your future. It's a great way to keep your retirement savings consolidated and on track. In summary, think of your 401k as a long-term investment, specifically for your retirement, not an emergency fund. Try to contribute as much as you comfortably can, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. That's literally free money. For personalized advice, consider speaking with a financial advisor. They can help you navigate the best strategies for your unique situation and really maximize your retirement potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.